we got the cat ears going on. So this is perfect to keep my hair back off my face because I don't fancy getting glitter all over my face. Even though that sounds amazing, but I want the glitter to be on my face, not my hair. But you never know, for Halloween I might do that. Hey everyone, this is Becky, Black Hot Beauty 14. In today's video, I've come up with this holographic cat look. But it was sort of like a last minute look really. Like I wanted to do like a little look for Halloween, but I was like, oh, I've had a bit of like, you know, what's that, artist block or something. I was a bit like, oh, what do I do and that sort of thing. So I thought, well, hang on a minute, glitter seems to be the trend at the moment. Everyone loves glitter. Everyone loves holographic stuff. And some of us like cats. Cats are very Halloween. So I thought, holographic cats! I used the Makeup Revolution Beautiful Darkness palette. This is a gorgeous palette. I've got their previous palettes from the years that Makeup Revolution done. They've done one from last year and the year before. So I've got those two, but this one's my favourite. I love it because it's got that duochrome in it. The shade Poison, which is this holographic greeny brown, and it's so nice. And they've also come up with these, which I've used all over my face. These are the liquid highlighters, which looks like this. Oh, the packaging. The packaging! The packaging is so nice. They're little skull heads. They come up with a bright red one as well, which I wanted to get, but couldn't get my hands on that one. But still, these are lovely. These are so nice. Lipstick as well. So this is their Haunted Lipstick collection in Captivating Curse. It's lovely. Can we just admire the packaging? Makeup Revolution, you've done great this year for Halloween. You do great products in general, but the packaging and everything you've done this year is amazing. They've also brought out another eyeshadow palette as well, and they've got other colours as well in that same lipstick line. But yes, that's really good. This video is not sponsored by Makeup Revolution. I bought these products with my own money as well. So, yeah. I also got to mention as well that I've also been using the Glitter Balm in Retro Perspective. This is beautiful as well. I've used this to create the whiskers as well. I love this glitter. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. So, let us get started. Okay guys, so I've done my eyebrows off camera. It's a little bit of a rush job because the glitter is pretty much going to fall in them anyway, so they're not perfect. But for eyebrows, I used the L'Oreal Paris Paradise Pomade in the shade Brunette. So I've just used a bit of that, rush job. And I'm just using a bit of baking powder, as you can see, under my eyes, just in case we get any eyeshadow fallout. So I've used the, well, the writing's completely rubbed off, that's how much I've used it. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder, and it's in the shade Banana. So I'm using that for a bit of baking. And for the concealer, it's the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age, the Eraser Eye Concealer, and it's in the shade Light. So, I've got now the cat ears on, putting the hair back so it's out of my face. So, we are now going to go into the eyes. So for the eyes, we're going to start with that first. I'm going to be using the Beautiful Darkness palette from Makeup Revolution. So it comes in a box like this. I love the box, I love the design of it. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So Beautifully Darkness, so the eyeshadows. These are so pretty, especially, where am I going? Especially this one. What I'm like about duochromes, I love duochromes. So there's a nice greeny brown duochrome on this one, it's so pretty. So this is what I'm going to be using for the eyes. So to start off this eye look, I'm going to be going in with the first shade called Nightmare, which is like this mustard yellow, so it's like a slightly darker yellow. So we're going to take that on a nice fluffy brush, angled brush. And I am just going to be applying this in the crease area. So just give you a blend there. Slightly feather it out as well, like I usually do with my eyeshadows, feathering that. I forgot to mention as well, I did prime my skin with the Revoultion Ultra Strobe Cream. Now you can't buy this on its own. It came in last year's Christmas, 12 Days of Christmas box. It came in last year's one, but I bet you anything it'll be in this year's one as well. So, but this is really nice. It just gives that really nice golden base to it, so you could wear it as a base for your highlighter, or you can wear it on its own. It's very illuminating, so this will definitely be in this year's one. So yeah, check it out because it's really good, really good. Right, I'm going to go in with the shade Demon, which is this light red colour, a angled brush, but it's a bit more of a smaller angled brush. And I'm going to apply that. Not bring it as high as the yellow, but I'm just going to be bringing it here. Keep swapping it back to the yellow as well, so we can just blend those edges out nicely. Oh, that's nice. We've got a little bit of a gradient going on right here. Right, now for that smoky black colour. Oh, doing a bit of this, reaching out to you. So I'm going to be going in with the shade, yeah, Tained, which is this matte black right here, and I'm going to be patting that on the lid. So I'm pretty much just going to go in with my finger actually, pretty much going like that. Oh yeah, hello pigment. And I'm just going to be placing that. I find it's easy. I could use a brush, but I find it's better precision to use with a finger. So I'm going to just be applying that with my finger. Right. I'm going to go back in with Demon. I'm going to just slightly blend out that black. I'm just going to use it on an angle side so I can just grab it around that edge. Just then go back in with Nightmare. I'm now just going to clean around these edges, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of that baking powder. You can use sellotape, because I'd find that a lot more easier, because you can get more of a crisp line. But if you don't have sellotape, then to make the edges look a little bit more smooth, you can just pack on a lot more baking powder. Like, literally a lot more. Right, I'm going to go out in with an angled brush, and I'm just going to try and attempt to sweep that bake away. I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've just done the other eye off camera, so right, I'm going to go back to the eyes in a minute. I'm going to do the fun part, which is the glittery all over the face. So I'm going to be taking these two gorgeous bottles right here, and these are both the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighters, and they're in these skull bottles. One's in the shade Envy and the other's in the shade Lover's Wrath. The packaging to these is to die for. They are so cool. They've even got a red version as well, a pure red one. So one is a blue sheen and the other one is more of a pink sheen. I'm going to be mixing these two together, and I'm going to be applying this to my face. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution. It's this sort of foundation brush. It's meant to be a dupe for that expensive one. Sorry, I don't know the name. I'll put it in the link in the description bar below if you want to know what this brush is. So I'm just going to start by doing one side of my face, because this does dry very quickly. So I'm just going to blend this on my face with this brush. Oh, hello sparkle. Gonna blend it on the other side as well. Okay, so I've just added it to my nose and everywhere else now. In the monitor, I look like a tin man. A tin man. So I'm going to set this in place. I'm actually going to use the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter, and it's in the shade Flash. Now, they do sell one with a skull imprint on it, but when I swatched it in store, it's pretty much exactly the same as this one is in the shade Flash. So Pick up that Halloween one by all means if you don't have it. It's got that sort of green, it's gold but green sheen. So we're going to make my face even more sparkly. So I'm going to take a big brush like this, and I'm going to set my whole face with this highlighter. So we're going to go straight in, and set the whoa, like whoa. All right, okay, that's proper going on. Because not only this will set that liquid highlighters in place, but it'll also add a little bit more funk to this look. Okay, so I've pretty much set my face with that highlighter. I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. So now I'm going to go back into the eyes. I'm going to finish off that lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Super Liner So Couture Liner. So it looks something like this, and it's just got a nice felt tip on there. And then I'm also going to be using the Essence Couture pencil in the shade 04, just to make that white effect under the eyes. So I'm going to start by just drawing just a line, not connected, but drawing a line just slightly under that lower lash line. So I'm going to start by drawing it underneath. Create a little bit of a point as well. It's not perfect, but I'm going to go in with that white kohl pencil. Oh, needs a bit of a sharpen. That's better. If I go over the black, it doesn't matter. I can go over it again with that black eyeliner. I'm going to grab a small little brush, this one. I'm going to go back, I'm going to go in with that shade Spirit, which is that white shade, and we used it to set that white kohl pencil in place. I'm going to just place that on top so we can really make that white stand out. I'll go back in with that Couture eyeliner, just to sort of like that. So I'm going to do the same off camera to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Apologise for the little baking bits. I've noticed a few mistakes, so hopefully the baking will hopefully make it go away. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist in any way whatsoever, so if it's not perfect, it's not perfect. But oh well, Halloween makeup's not supposed to be perfect. It's meant to be crazy. But for lashes, I'm going to use these ones from Superdrug. Now these ones look really cool. They're the limited edition ones. They've got purple and black in them, but I thought these ones would be perfect with this eye look. Right, lashes are now on. I'm now going to start making some whiskers. So I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution, this is the Glitter Bomb, in the shade Retrospective. Don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but that's what the colour looks like. And I'm going to be making that for the whiskers. Right, I'm going to be applying that with an angled brush, and I'm going to be going in with my Barrym Glitter Fixer Gel. Now, Revoultion, they do their own glitter glue, but it was sold out when I went to get it, so we're going to use the Barrym one. I'm going to grab the lid that it's in, just apply one little dollop of that, actually maybe 2 dollops of that glitter glue, and mixing it together. And I'm going to start drawing those whiskers. Whoa, that's sparkly. There's a lot of sparkle going on there. I'm also going to pack, like, while it's a bit damp as well, I'm just going to go dip my brush into the pot and just packing the loose glitter on top. And do you know what? For add a bit more sparkle, ooh, let's add a bit more glitter. But I'm going to put it in the eyebrows. So I'm just going to brush a little bit of glitter in the eyebrows because why not? Why not, eh? Why not? It's a good job I didn't make my eyebrows perfect today. Right, back in with that pen, and I'm going to just draw a little nose. Gonna fill it in. I'm going to bring it down as well, so I'm going to bring it down. Now I'm going to apply this lipstick to the lips. This is the Makeup Revolution Haunting Lipstick Collection. Now this packaging is to die for. I'm going to start by applying this to the lips now. I'm going to use a bit of that Taunt shade. What was it called again? Oh, Tainted shade. I'm going to use that to set my lips with that. And last, I'm going to just apply a little bit more glitter to my lips. Okay, so I'm going to set all this in place. I'm going to use a little bit of the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Setting Spray. So use a little bit of this. Just to set every little shiny thing in place. Oh, one last thing. Ta-da! We have light up caddies. Yeah, it's very cool. So yes guys, this is the completed look. Really hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments below what you guys going as for Halloween this year. I don't really celebrate Halloween. I do love to buy a lot of Halloween decorations though, to put in my house, to wear like, to display 24/7. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!